Yeah. So between us, we're not going to have any video at all, are we?
Not any you can use.
The Tour de Faf.
One quick stop, you've got all the flapping to begin.
Oh, Steve, are you on?
Hey, you're
I am, yeah. I'm just waiting for me match to catch up.
Oh, God, have we got that long?
There's a turning that we're going to go right, and it does come back on yourself, but you just got to watch the twats coming out of it, because they swing wide. We good?
Yeah. Or helmet cam screen.
On record?
I can remember coming out of here last time and we went the wrong fucking way, didn't I?
You did.
We went the wrong way, didn't I?
None of this wee nonsense.
Yeah, you think they get that leak fixed?
Yeah.
I got one of them Timu plugs on it.
Oh, a bit bumpy.
Ah, look at the potholes there.
Yeah, don't
Good
worry.
job we're not on that side.
Yeah.
Did you get one of them like travel stamps if you go through the pothole? You have
You
it.
do.
Yeah. House up there, look. Who lives in a house like this?
You wouldn't like that, would you?
No, I wouldn't sleep. See what I mean about them swinging wide out of here, look?
I mean, I've got to try and get around there with it. I'm going to have trouble with this on this bike. With this weight.
Do you want me to jump off again?
I'm going to wait here for a minute.
Right. Got to go forward, not backwards.
She's a big, heavy fucker. Is it clear, Nige?
It is, you're clear.
Thank you very much.
Still clear.
Yep, clear for everyone.
Shit.
It's just pretty great. I don't know what it is with these GSs. That's why I want to try the auto, see if I handle the hills a little bit
Look
better.
at that little place.
Oh, look at that, isn't that pretty?
That's it. Never mind us.
Yeah.
It won't. Swear at this one. Go on. Oink.
Did someone just say oink?
I swear
Oink.
to oink.
Swear at this one, oink.
It smells nice.
Now that hotel on the right I wouldn't recommend.
That one.
That's where I stayed the last time I come down here, Nige, when you rode halfway with me.
Oh, was that? No good.
No, nothing worked in the bloody room, so they upgraded me to a double and only half of it worked in there.
Damn.
Bloody hell.
Pretty buildings, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I had
So the
lights and
low-
no sockets. A damp in the bathroom.
Sounds lovely.
What is this that still doing?
Where's the faulty towers?
He's waiting for this one to come
When
through.
we stayed. Very pretty round there. Oh, look,
Yeah.
that one's for sale, Nige.
Yeah, dead centre of the town there.
Get a bathroom you could put in there.
Come to the free bouncy thing.
I think
might-
Nige needs to buy hotels that you can put 12 bathrooms in.
I'm all right. I'm all right in my ex-council house.
To spend that kind of money on bathrooms, you must spend an awful lot of time in there.
Yeah. There's nothing like having a good shit. Contemplation
TVs, satellite
time.
TVs.
Well, if you're going to be in there a long time, you might as well do it all modern.
Yeah. Here you go. Here's your Valley of the Rocks.
Valley of the Rocks.
Beautiful down here, isn't it?
Oh, there's some goats in
Yeah.
the road.
Just what's the odds on the goats fucking
Watch
headbutting us as
watch
we
it.
go
You've got to be
by?
careful now because
It's when the fuckers ram you and headbutt you.
I love the goat. That one
Here
there
we go,
will fit in the
look.
back box. It'll fit in the back box, no bother. Oh, hang on. Give him a bit. Oh, do that, jab.
It's when it goes for your bike, isn't it?
Yeah.
Give him a bit, they'll move.
Look at the little ones.
Oh, look. I bet they taste lovely curried up.
Oh, very nice.
Look at the knobhead sat up the top. Look,
Oh, yeah. The knobheads.
getting their selfie.
Up you go, Nige.
How many people have rolled off these rocks doing selfies?
I know. Hopefully, some fucker caught it on camera.
It's lovely to get the old dronage out up here, but it's a bit windy.
Yeah,
is
I know.
windy, isn't it?
When you get out on the edge,
Yeah, it'd be too
the
windy.
wind fucking comes straight up.
Look at that one in front of you, look, them up there.
Yeah. See, you can go out that way, but we'll miss the turn that we want to go back on.
We've got to turn around, have we?
Yeah, we'll go round and roundabout and then back. I brought us down here because I didn't know if it was nice. You could have whacked the drone up, but
No, it's lovely. Oh, so we didn't come down here last time we were here.
No, I was just going to say, we didn't come this way, no.
I'm not
Must have
saying
gone in on that big hill.
go out the other side of the toll road, can't you? To in home, I think it is.
yeah, it goes past that big bloody hotel or whatever it is, or Summer Spring Lodge or whatever.
It's a bit gnarly down there in the winter time, though. It's a bit green, isn't it?
Where they come
Yeah.
up with the name, it's very inventive, isn't it?
The Valley of the Rocks.
That's going to have a competition.
The old car park, the bloke who gives you tickets if you don't pay, he's normally pretty good. He'll just say to you, nah, chuck 'em on here, mate. Chuck 'em on here.
Thing is, Nige, you don't actually work there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the puppies. Oh, I want one. That's it, I'm buying a goat.
Look,
Well,
you
you'll
brought
fit-
parrot.
Buying a goat as well. You didn't
You'll
want me to buy a
fit one
parrot
in
and I've still
your,
got one. What makes you think I'm going to get a goat?
You'd fit one in your top box.
I would. I'd pick two if I drop them up.
Where's the two having a bitch fest?
They were over here.
I'd be able to live in
now.
Probably break somebody's car.
Right, it's 1:10. That'd be just right for dinner. We find a pub.
Perfect.
Go on, matey, get it on up round there. Tis all hills.
Everyone thinks we make all this lot up, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
I'll show you the corner where the bin man. We'd come across Exmoor and we were talking about what's your favourite, you know, for taking bends, left or rights. And the bin man said, no, I'm much better on left-hand bends. I'll show you the one where he got halfway round it, hit a false neutral and fucking fell off.
I'm not good with right-handers, I'm better with left-handers.
Just comes right back, Ray. Oh, shit.
I'm better with left-handers. I'm better with left-handers.
Oh.
Fuck!
We are going straight on, but we need to have a look-see.
How's it looking?
You're clear.
Lovely, lovely.
Yep, it's nothing.
Still clear.
Clear.
Thank you.
Back on in a bit.
And this, we'll come up to a junction in a minute with a garage on it. It's Gulf Petrol. And it's the world's most miserable bitch works there. I've never seen such a miserable looking fucking woman in all my life. Yeah, that garage there. She was a miserable bitch.
Do you want to stop in and say hello?
No.